Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. Today, I want to show you this racing style gaming chair that this brand sent to me for this video. I'll show it to you kind of like in a closer look in a few seconds. But the thing that surprised me about this chair is number one, that supports 400 pounds. So that's actually quite a lot of weight for the size of this chair. And then, secondly, something that I think it's more important, like this is a tall chair. I'm 5'10", by the way, and you can see that this one, I still have room to just put my head on. But also this one on the normal position without any reclining, any rocking, or any kind of like tilting, it gives you a nice 90 degrees posture, no? Because it's kind of like a really nice posture that you get in the chair, just like that. So that actually surprised me a little bit. Talking about the assembly process, this one, everything is explained right here. And I gotta say that is pretty easy. I think it took me, I want to say probably 15 minutes or 20 minutes, no more than that. But let's actually take a closer look of this racing style gaming chair. So first of all, you can see it's made of this really nice leather. So that's actually pretty cool. You have this racing accents right here, and you can remove this pillow if you don't want it. So I think this is actually really cool for when you are reclining. I'll show you that in a little bit. Also down here, I do like the accents of the colors and the racing style flap. These armrests are also padded, but you can't modify the height on this one because they're gonna go with the actual recliner. Again, I'll show you that in a few seconds. You have this lumbar support pillow with a cover. You can remove it if you want, but I do think that this is important to have for when you're sitting for long periods of time. And talking about that, this one, this seat right here is gonna be really firm, actually pushing like kind of like strong, I want to say. But this one is going to be more cushion for keeping that circulation on your legs. Like every other chair, you can modify the height of this one as well. But two things that I like, and that's when these two are kind of like, let me show you something. The pillows on the back comes important. So this one right here, you're gonna have the footrest, which is kind of like more of a leg rest, you know, because you're gonna put your legs in here, and that's how you're gonna have that really nice position. But then check it out. I'm gonna unlock this one. I think it's unlocked already. No, it is locked. So I have the second lever right here, which is not that one. That's the first one. The second lever lies right here on the back. So there we go. With that one, you have this. Actually, I'm gonna actually put this one right here. You have this recliner over here. So fully reclined with that lumbar support pillow and the neck pillow, I gotta say that it's actually really cool. So this is a nice position for napping in between gaming sessions or working from home or something like that. It gives you that really nice, oh, actually, I'm pretty comfy right now. I wanna kind of like take a nap. But the other thing is that you can lock it any time. Just like that, for example, it is locked right now, but I'm gonna just put it just like this back again, and it goes back to the original position. Lock again, this one goes on the bottom, and you're all set. I gotta tell you, I do think that this chair could be like a really nice entry-level chair for gamers, but also for home office and productivity. Looks good, it is comfy, and 400 pounds of weight limit, that's actually a lot of weight.